Guys, October 23rd, 2023. I got a call from Nervous Nelly. She's got a problem with her bathroom faucet. It's not working. I know that's a weird, like a waterfall type of faucet. There's no aerator on it. The water just kind of like spills out it's kind of like a flat spout. That's what I call like a waterfall type of faucet. So I don't know. She says she's played around with the valves underneath and we're getting no flow. I asked her if it was the hot and the cold, and she said both are giving her an issue, so I'm not sure if it's... She said both. So can't always go by what she says. Sometimes what she says don't make any rhyme or reason. Older lady, you know. Nice lady, nice people, but just elderly. So we're gonna go over there and see if we could find out what's ailing her lav faucet and see if we can fix it for her. Oh, Nervous Nelly. Yeah.
You should see the gray crack come out of it, but anyway.
Yeah, we're not getting a lot of flow. Finally. Huh? We're not getting a good flow here. We're not getting a good flow. I give up. Oh, look at this stuff. I'm flipping things off, guy. Yeah, she's an issue. That's on the faucet. Let's see.
Is this anyway connected to the shower?
No.
Because after we fixed it, it started to get thinner and thinner and thinner.
No, it's nothing to do with the shower.
Oh, okay. Okay. That's all I know.
It's probably in the faucet itself that's got issues, you know. Let's see if we can take it apart and see.
You need paper towel or anything?
I probably need to get the shit out of my truck. Gotta get a different toolbox. I'll get a different toolbox. Seems like there's quite a bit of cholesterol in there. Just to see if that's it. We're gonna check something first. Look at all the cholesterol I'm plugging out of there. Seems to make it worse. Seems to make it worse. Made it worse. Are we gonna need a new faucet? Are we gonna need a new faucet? I'm thinking. Unbelievable. Nothing. It's even worse. Yeah. Yeah, so you put new supplies in there, you got your new faucet, and you want to stay with this drain, right?
Yes, please. Oh, look at the water!
Hot's a little less. You're going through the tankless, you know?
Ah! Look at it!
Beautiful.
It's as good as up in the kitchen now. You know? Yeah. Oh my God, we got water. Oh.
We got brand new supplies and it looks like there's more flow on than the other one, huh? For sure.
Oh.
All right, let me just make sure I got.
Well,
no
every day it
leaks.
got worse and worse and worse till it got down to that trickle.
Yeah. All right, so we'll
I
get
like
the.
it. Don't you like it?
I do. Yeah, and you want to stay with this drain? You said you're used to it, right?
Yep. Yep.
All right, now you can leave this. There's a drain in here if you ever want to put it in.
I've had that one though, and I don't like it. I had it years ago. You know, you push that thing down in the back.
The cholesterol coming out of that thing. Look at that. Oh, shit. Nasty. Look at it all. Cholesterol, mama. It's all blocked, Miss Molly. Thing needs Crestor. Needs a stand drug, Miss Molly. Yeah, we gotta put it on a stand drug, yeah.